Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to upload files on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to upload files on this service, first log in to your account by filling your email address and password. Click on this website button below your desired website. If you have multiple files, I recommend you to upload them first to your assets. Just like that, go to assets. This window opens up. Click on upload from the corner. Select your files from your computer and hit open. This is the download or the upload progress. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Now that my files are uploaded to Squarespace, in order to display them on my pages, just go to pages from assets, like that. Select the page you want to work on, click on edit from the top to go into the editing mode. Since this is an empty page, I will first add a section, a blank section. Then click on add block, look for a photo and select this image block. Click on this plus icon, select or go with select from library. Now from my library, select the file you want to show first. Select it just like that and click on add. To upload another file, simply click on add block, look for photo, add image, and repeat the process. And this is how to upload multiple files on Squarespace.